Hey friends, if you encounter the error, a problem prevented the document from being scanned, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So I actually found the resolution on the Microsoft Answers forum. Obviously, one may say that running the hardware and devices troubleshooter is the solution, but no, actually it is with the system itself. Now I am assuming that your scanner or your printer come scanner is working well with other devices. So it is only an issue when it is connected to your system because we troubleshoot Windows. So here's what we have to do: search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Windows acquisition service. Okay. And if you find it, Windows image acquisition service. Okay. Right click on it and make sure that it is started. And if it is, then you can still restart it. And once this is done, right click on it, select properties, change the startup type to automatic, click on apply and then on OK. Okay, this is the case by default, but at times people change the service or some third party software can change the service. So this is the solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.